Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox an unexpected error occurred. Basically how you can fix Roblox crash error. And to do so, first of all, what you need to do here, you need to log into your browser, and then if you're using Chrome, you need to just press on three little dots here. Then you need to go to settings, and then once you're here, go to privacy and security, cookies and other site data. Then scroll down until you see all data and permissions, and here you need to just write here Roblox and delete all the cookies related to Roblox here, right? And once you do that, then you need to just reload your page and log into your account again. And after you complete the step, another step that you need to do here on your desktop, you need to press Windows and R key, and you will get this little pop-up menu here, pop-up option, and here you need to write $sign local app data $sign. Press OK, and then scroll down until you see temp folder, and then you need to locate Roblox folder here, and you need to delete this folder. Don't worry, it's just cookies and cache files here. It won't affect your game. And once you do that, then the last thing that you need to do here, you need to locate your Roblox player shortcut on your desktop or on the search, and just right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, and make sure to select disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Press apply, okay, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.